Hello there and welcome to another lesson. Today I'm gonna teach you five different ways to say thank you in Portuguese. Hoje eu vou te ensinar 5 formas, 5 ways to say, de dizer thank you, obrigado, em português, in Portuguese. So, let's get started. The first one you might already know if you have been trying to learn Portuguese for quite a while. Obrigado. Repeat after me. Obrigado. Now, if you're a woman, you would want to say obrigada. Alright? So somebody does something to you, you say obrigada or obrigado if you're a man. But if you get confused, don't worry about it, just say obrigado, because even people in Brazil do not understand this difference, and they say obrigado being a woman or a man. So, obrigado, obrigada. Okay, now number 2, muito obrigado. So, this means thank you so much or thank you very much. Muito is much. So, or many, so many thanks, muito obrigado. And it's the same, if you're a woman, you're gonna say muito obrigada. Alright, so let's repeat after me. Muito obrigado. Muito obrigada. Cool, you're doing fine. Now, let's go to the next one. Number 3, valeu. Valeu. That's more of a slang, so sometimes, I don't know, maybe I'm on the street, I get a flat tire and somebody comes to help, or I don't know, something happens to my car and somebody comes to help and push my car, and I say, hey, valeu. Valeu mesmo. That means, valeu a lot. So basically that's what it is. So, valeu mesmo. Valeu mesmo. Very good. Next one, number 4, we go for that. This literally would mean I don't even know how to thank you, or I wouldn't know how to thank you, basically. So listen, nem sei como te agradecer. So I don't even know, nem sei. We do not have to use eu nem sei, we just use nem sei because sei only is only used for I, so it's already implied that you mean I. Nem sei, I don't even know. Como, how. To thank you, to thank you. The last one we say, basically, it's a new thing that people are saying nowadays. Gratidão. Gratidão. That would mean gratitude. Gratitude. Alright? But usually in a way that you want to be more like cool, I don't know, social media type, and religious maybe, I don't know. You just say gratidão. Thank you so much. That's what it means. So let's repeat all of them together. Obrigado. Obrigado. Muito obrigado. Muito obrigado. Valeu. Valeu. Valeu mesmo. Valeu mesmo. Nem sei como te agradecer. Nem sei como te agradecer. Gratidão. Gratidão. If you like this kind of content, let me know down below in the comments. Also, share this video, like this video, because if you do like the way I'm teaching this, these expressions, I can bring more content like that for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and as usual, my friends, now you know I'm posting a lot of videos here because I want you to learn Portuguese, and you're gonna speak just the way I do, alright? So thank you so much, and I appreciate you all following me. I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye.